Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Carrington Park, Sydney. I've got this Porsche 986 been working on last week, and now fully stripped everything down on this car here. So we're just having a look inside. So what we're doing now, we're just removing the actual intake manifold out. Every time I take a Porsche 986 engine out, regardless of what I'm doing, I always have to reseal the intake manifold because they are the original intake manifold gasket from factory. Most, I'll say probably 98% of those 986 engines still have the same one. And this is the reason why I do it. Have a look at the actual gasket. This is all the old gaskets, still looking good, but at some stage they're gonna start leaking from the intake manifold and the car will run rough, and it's gonna be really painful to do this in the car. All right. So we have this here already done, so we took this off. So I'm going to put the new gaskets. Same time, I'm going to run a new hose. The new main briefer hose is this one here. This one here. It's going to go across from here to the actual oil separator down here. And after that, I'm going to do this. We already stripped down the oil cooler. Oil cooler's out. I'm going to get rear main seal done as well, and the actual IMS bearing done this week, and the water pump and all that stuff, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, just a quick rundown of what we're doing on this one here. This is for a Porsche Boxster 986. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.